Hi guys, I'm going to share with you my grocery haul from Walmart for my family and also share with you a meal plan and some lunch ideas that we have going on this week. So if you're interested, stick around. All right, if you're new here, I am vegan, my family is not. I eat a high plant-based diet. And my family, I just try to serve them whatever they will eat. They do like a lot of the stuff that I make. So the things that I make, usually they'll eat it as a side, but a lot of them are still meat eaters. So I'm pregnant with, I am pregnant with twins. I am 28 weeks pregnant. And I have 3 children already. My husband is an electrician, and I mostly cook our meals, except for like weekends. He's usually more active in the kitchen during that time. So here is our grocery list. So starting with fruit, we have blueberries. I'm going to make some blueberry banana bread. Sorry, blueberry lemon bread. I can bake blueberry banana bread, but blueberry lemon bread, it's kind of our favorite. So I try to have like some type of muffin or bread for the week. Lettuce, bananas, apples. I figured we could try a papaya just to kind of see like what we like. I've had it before. I don't think any of my children have had it before, so this is going to be like one of our homeschool science experiments. Like, what do you taste? What does it feel like? You know, like the senses. Something quick and easy. Bell peppers, tomatoes, a grapefruit. I was feeling grapefruit when I put in my grocery order, so I just thought I would order one. Onion, oranges. I think I already talked about the Brussels sprouts. Plums, broccoli, zucchini, some mixed fruit for smoothies, tortillas. Sorry, not tortillas. Even though I did get tortillas. Tortilla chips, some dried mango. This was supposed to be a 5-pound bag of rice, but they ran out, so they ended up giving me 3 2-pound bags. A can of mango. They didn't have whole mango, so I just went for a can. I have like a craving for mangoes. I don't know what that's about. Some things that I already put in the freezer are waffles, popsicles. Have some French fries, vegetable oil, avocado oil, barbecue sauce, sour cream, cream cheese, all the cheeses. We got some 4 cheese Mexican, Colby Jack, cheddar, 4 state shredded cheddar. My daughter has been liking this dark chocolate coconut. Also, some of us are dairy free. So some things I get are just going to be dairy free so everyone can eat it. So I got her 2 of these. Hot dogs for lunch. Ground turkey meat. They didn't have ham. My kids like ham. My husband likes turkey. They didn't have ham, so they gave me a pound. I ordered half a pound of each. So they just gave me a pound of turkey. 3 pounds of ground beef. Bagels. Some ramen. Some frozen corn. I ordered a big old thing of pomegranate juice that was like this size, but they didn't have it, so they gave me 3 of these. Cream of chicken, 2 of those. Beef ravioli, some organic black beans, some baked beans, really big grande flour tortillas. I'm going to explain to you why. Crunchy tacos. If you can't tell, you probably already know what one of our meals or one of our nights is going to be. Some shells and cheese for a quick side, either dinner or lunch. I got some mucho mango juice, orange juice, carrot juice for smoothies. That's what I use as my base mixer. Ginger ale, My favorite, my favorite candy when I was younger was caramel apple pops. So I got some of these for me. So these are going to my room. Some little bites for a quick snack or a breakfast if we find ourselves having to get up and go. Some pudding. My kids have never had pudding. They've asked for it. So I thought, why not for a little treat? Some dishwasher liquid, and then some juice for the kiddos. So that's what we're having this week. Our plan. Here we go. So this week we are having, let's see what we're having this week. We're having meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. We're having a taco night. It's probably going to end up being, I cook every other day, so it's going to be 2 nights. I have the taste for a Crunch Wrap Supreme, so I'm going to make a vegan option. I already have some of the stuff here. And if I don't feel like it, I'll just have some regular tacos with black beans, not ground beef. But yeah, I have the taste for Crunch Wrap Supreme, and I'll just make a vegan option. The next thing we're having is going to be creamy chicken, mushroom, rice, and broccoli, and then spaghetti. So that's what we're having this week. I hope you guys enjoy. If you like more of this content, grocery hauls, anything homeschool, kids lunch ideas, anything Jesus, anything wife, give me a follow, and well, give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing. Have a good day, and don't forget to drink your water and repent.